all ready for your guests. Okay, so let's give these a try. Very good. Definitely must try it at home. You have the crispiness, the crunch, and a bit moisture inside. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Benvenuti. Today we're making Orange Cranberry Almond Biscotti. It's a delicious biscotti recipe that you will enjoy making at home. So for this recipe, you'll need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, cranberries, almonds, salt, baking powder, and orange oil. I'll have the full recipe at the end. So we're going to start by creaming our butter and our sugar together. So we'll get our eggs all ready. Sugar is well mixed in. So then we're going to add our eggs and our orange oil. Gonna give that a mix. Oh, you can smell the orange. Smells so good. Okay, so our eggs and butter are ready. I'm gonna just change the attachment. So I'm gonna use the hook attachment. And we're gonna add in our flour. And start slower. And you're gonna wait till your dough is almost formed before you throw in your cranberries. If you wanted to, you could add your almonds now. Coming together lovely there. Add our cranberries. So you may need to add some more flour just when you're kneading. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it over on the table and we'll finish the kneading process. So we're going to flour our surface, pour our dough right over. I like kneading my dough. Okay, so I'm gonna divide my dough and make them all even. It's just fold inwards, like so. And then you're going to roll it. You may wanna just grab a little bit of flour. And you want a tight roll. So the seam is hidden. Then you're gonna apply some flour. Just dust a bit. You could always dust more flour if you need it. And then again, you're going to press down and out, okay? So depending on the pan, the length of your pan, you're going to roll it to that length. Tight. Dust. Fold inwards. This is so easy. Doesn't need any resting time, so you basically roll it, put it on your pan and bake it. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna brush it with some egg wash, and I just like to press just a little bit down. Just so slightly. Perfect. And your egg wash is going to give it that nice golden Beautiful color. This will surely make your whole kitchen smell so good, so delicious. There we go. Now we're ready to bake them. When your biscotti is baking, it's going to just open up. So if you want to control where the rise is, just make a little cut right through the middle. That's going to give it room. So we're going to bake them at 350, and we're going to put them on for 18 minutes to start, and then we'll check on them. Okay, our biscotti is ready. Oh, look at that. Just beautiful. Oh, it cracked right where I wanted it to crack. Okay, our biscotti is ready. I wanted to show you, we've got two. One that I cut right in the center of the loaf, so it opened up really nicely. So I controlled where it would rise. This one here I didn't, so I wanted to also show you. It kind of opened up on the side, which is okay too, because it adds character to your biscotti. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice the biscotti. I'm going to go with about a ½ inch. And don't worry if you get some pieces that crumble and break off. And then we're going to bake them once more. You want to get them nice and crispy. It looks really nice too. It adds character having your biscotti. And I also wanted to show you another way. So I cut them straight, or I like doing on an angle. Okay, so we're going to start at the top. Smells so good. Whatever you have envisioned, you have a taste in mind, you could add anything to your biscotti, any flavor, add chocolate chips. So it all depends. So we're going to bake these and we're going to toast them. So we're going to put them back in there and we're going to add 12 minutes and then we'll check on them. Okay, our biscottis are all ready and I've got a nice platter that you could set them on. Makes it for a nice display. Beautiful. Look at that. All ready for your guests. Okay, so let's give these a try. Very good. Definitely must try it at home. You have the crispiness, the crunch, and a bit moisture inside. So if you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe. Your support is encouraging.